The Hyundai Santa Fe lineup looks a bit different for the 2019 model year. The current long wheelbase, 3-row Santa Fe will be named Santa Fe XL, while the standard Santa Fe will replace the 5-passenger Santa Fe Sport. The Korean automaker is also working on an all-new, 3-row, 8-passenger SUV that will carry an all-new name. The 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe is available in 5 trim levels: SE, SEL Plus, Limited, and Ultimate. The SE 2.4 model with front-wheel drive is priced from $26,480 including destination. The SEL trim costs $2,100 additional, while the SEL Plus starts from $30,780. The Limited 2.4 model has a $33,580 starting price, while at the top of the range is the Ultimate, priced at $36,430. The model can also be equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which is only available in Limited and Ultimate trims. Pricing for the Limited 2.0T starts at $35,180, while the Ultimate 2.0T has a starting price of $38,080. All-wheel drive is available on all trim levels for $1,700 additional. The 4th generation Santa Fe does see a $550 price bump compared to the outgoing model, but gains a plethora of new standard features including a suite of safety features called Hyundai Smart Sense, forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, safe exit assist, lane keeping assist, driver attention warning, smart cruise control with stop and go, and high beam assist. Along with a bolder design, the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe has increased visibility, cabin, and storage space, along with an 8-speed automatic transmission, idle stop and go, rear view monitor with parking guidance, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, and dual front and rear 2.1 amp USB charge ports. The crossover gets an improved EPA estimated fuel economy of 25 miles per gallon combined. The new Santa Fe underlines our commitment to safety through new standard features like forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist and rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, said Mike O'Brien, Vice President, Product, Corporate and Digital Planning, Hyundai Motor America. We have been a leader in adopting key safety features into our vehicles at attractive prices. Families are going to really appreciate Santa Fe's blend of technology, interior space and striking looks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.